Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and are ready for a cracking weekend. Today, this is the freebie. Look how cute it is. Super cute. It's cuteness overload. This is a page that has been designed from my VIP lounge for September. The VIP lounge is, in case you're new to my channel, is my membership I offer on my website when you get 3 digital papers every month straight to your email box, and also you got a letter, okay, a gift box letter. And then this month is the letter E. You also get a video tutorial on how to put this together. So you get, of course, template is this one here, and then you print it on a thick cardstock, and then you put it all together. So you see here all the tabs. There is a video to explain how to make it all together. So yeah, before I tell you how to get this, let me show you the September VIP lounge papers first. Okay guys, welcome to the papers from September of my VIP lounge subscription. So let me show you the number one. Number one is this one here. Oh my god, it's so cute. I don't say myself. Let me zoom out a little bit. That's it. It's called Cute Cats. So it's 4 pages full of adorable cats. Simple as. So they're all very similar, but yet each page is different, and you've got different flower, different scales. You can do cards. Oh, I've got so many ideas of what I want to do with this. So Cute Cats, number 1. Number 2, it's called Graffiti, which is this one here. So it's a bit like inspiration. It's about 19th pop culture. So we've got lovely tones of green and red, some angry cats, a cheeky cat. We've got this page here. As you can see, this color palette is pretty much the same, so it's, all pages blend. And this is page number 4. Let's put some stars. So yeah, so they're all very different, but again, they all match. So this is Graffiti. Collection number 3, which is my favorite one, is called Vintage Dresses. So you get a page with a lovely doll. Look how cute she is. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4 pages with all different dresses. So you've got the one on the hangers, the one like that. So they're all super cute. Let's see. Look at that one. The color palette is very similar. So it's all these blue and pinks. Look at that one with a little bow. It's all blend together. Got a couple of ideas of what to do with this paper, so I will showcase it the next coming weeks. And then you get, I haven't got a printout, but I'll show you on my screen on my laptop now. Okay guys, so these are the 5 bookmarks that you will get with this month VIP lounge. It's a little treat. It's an additional gift from me to you guys. The reason why I didn't print them is because it's not something that I will personally use, but I think they are adorable, especially if you print them on cardstock, and also if you print them front and back, you'll be able to have this double-sided. But I think they're really cute. I will probably use the black and stripe one with the gold hearts, but they're super cute. They are my favorite colors, I must admit, because I do like black and white with a bit of gold, and I do like pink and green together. I think they're very bright. They're a bit summery, and also, yeah, they just give you some positive vibes, or I hope they do at least. So you get the flamingo bookmarks as well. And then last but not least, you get the letter E. Okay, so this is the template. I just printed this on a simply copy paper, and this is what it looks like when it's done up. Let me just move this out of the way, because otherwise you won't be able to see it. So just gonna turn everything white. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So, and there is a private video for all of my VIP members where I share how to make this, simply like cutting it and then glue the tabs, etc, etc. So this is being designed from the graffiti papers. So far we've got letter A, letter B, letter C. Last month was letter D in August, and letter E for September. Okay, so we've done 5 letters so far. A, B, C, D, and E. Okay guys, as usual, 2 ways to get my freebies. Number 1, on my newsletter, which I will put the link here on the screen on the left hand side. So the newsletter is an email that gets sent out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. And then you got the papers of the week, the videos of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code for you guys to treat yourself, and also there's some chit chats. And also way number 2 is to join my Facebook group, because by the time you watch this video the newsletter email will already be sent. So if you register, you don't have to do anything. I send you the newsletter every week, and then the freebie is always attached. Now if you want to download, I think we're on about 300 now, 300 previous freebies. You join my Facebook group and they're all linked in order. Let me show you where. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, Antonio Makes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on files, you see here, this is the recent one, which is the 5th of July, but you will see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay, have fun and happy crafting. Okay guys, so 2 ways, newsletter and Facebook group. Before we go, I just want to say big thank you to Tamara. And Tamara is a member of my VIP lounge. She's been with me for a very, very long time. So thank you so much, Tamara, for your continuous love and support. I will put Tamara's comment on the screen now. So a very big shout out to you, my dear. Thank you for everything and for your continuous love and support. So in case you guys wish to join my VIP lounge, I will put all the links down below. Enjoy the freebie guys, don't forget to download the rest of them as well. I will see you next Monday for another fabulous video, and until then, have a fabulous weekend and stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye!